Hi, and welcome to my video on how Ding PowerUp can enhance your Thinkific learning experience and Thinkific customer experience. In this video, I'm going to go over the Ding PowerUp. So Ding is a series, one of a many series of PowerUps that Rob Galvin, who is a Thinkific expert, has designed as a way to transform the customer and Thinkific student experience. So you can think of these power-ups as little add-ons and enhancements that make it easier to sell more products, to connect with your students, and also to facilitate and make student learning more interactive and engaging. So I'm going to include a link at the end so you can check out last week's video on the Flick style power up that can transform your student dashboard into a streaming dashboard that looks similar to all the different streaming sites that you may want to mirror for your students. But before I go into the demo, I want to talk a little bit about the pricing of Ding. So if you just invest in this one power up, it is $99. Now, that's something to kind of consider because, as you grow your business, you want to look at all the different ways that your business can be up-leveled. And so this is a great option, the power up of Ding. I'll show you in the demo, but you'll see that this is really not just, $99, but this investment really allows you to do so much more with your course and with your business. And so you may want to then think, if you like the Flick style power up and then you like this Ding power up, that's already becoming $199. And so that's why there is the option of a power up pass at $399 a year. And there's so many more power ups that I haven't covered yet. And so I think if you're really excited and encouraged by these power ups, check out the yearly pass where there's also support and you can get more technical help if you need to with your power ups. So with that said, I will go back to my site so I can show you a little bit about how it works. So you'll want to sign up first for Ding. And then once you sign up, there will be an installation process through the power-ups. Since I've already done that, I can't really show it to you, but if you check out last week's video for the Flick style, you'll see the sign-up process is very, very similar. So assuming you've already purchased or you're considering purchasing the power-up for Ding, you can then check out in your apps section what the apps that are installed. So last week, as you can see, I installed the Flick's PowerUp, and then this week, for this video, I've installed the Ding PowerUp. So as you can tell by the name Ding, it's kind of like a notification bell, and it works very similarly, but with a little bit more enhancement beyond just a notification bell. So now that that is installed, I want to go back to under Design Your Site, look for my site builder. And this is where it is similar in that in my site builder, what I'm looking for is the default pages because that is where I can make a lot of customizations to the student dashboard. So once I click on default pages, I can see that there is a student dashboard page. So in this was all from last week. Now I want to specifically focus on my Ding PowerUp. So what I'm going to do is add section, and then I'm going to search for my Ding, and then I'm going to look for this Ding sidebar to install. And then, cool, now that it's installed, what you'll notice is that there's all these different kind of settings and features. And so I'm going to sort of explain these different settings and how they sort of make a difference in the student dashboard experience. So really the idea is like when you as a student are taking a course, sometimes you forget things, or like you want to know about more announcements, or you want to hear more from the instructor. And sometimes the instructor may post things, but you never get the email because your email is inundated. With this Ding PowerUp, everything stays within Thinkific so that you'll see these notifications within the site. So one of the things that you can go look at is like there's all these different buttons, and again, these kinds of colors and texts can be customized to sort of match the branding of your site. And then you can even choose the type of icon that you want for this Ding notification. Do you want the bell, bell on, and you can see the bell. And then you can go into the post list and then make these changes. And then post types is sort of what's really special about the Ding PowerUp. So they've kind of categorized it for you by these headers of new content, event, announcement, and early access. So if you want to change these, you can just say like new videos, and you can change this to like upcoming events, and then you can keep announcements, and then early access, maybe you want to call this early access preview. So once that looks good, then you want to click on the add announcement. And this is a great way for you to sort of test out the sidebar. So as you can kind of see now, my little sidebar will come up, and then once I make an announcement, then you can see how the Ding PowerUp really transforms this learning experience for my students. So for an announcement, let's just say I decided to release another video around my lesson because a lot of people said they didn't really understand or it wasn't so clear. This is where the announcement post is really nice. Instead of sending an email with a link and bombarding students with email and having students go into their inbox, which is full of lots of emails, and kind of distracting at times, the announcement really just keeps them focused. So I can say, hey, I have a new video this week. And then I can select a video from my library if I've uploaded it into Thinkific, or I can even use a video from YouTube if I've uploaded it to YouTube. Or if I didn't upload it to my Thinkific library or use YouTube, and maybe I decided to use Vimeo, what I can do is say, hey, check this out. Check out this new video for this lesson. And then I can then add a description to say, give a little bit more context. Say, I didn't explain that lesson well. Here is a new video this week. And then I can say, highlight this and then add a link, Vimeo.com, and you can copy the link from Vimeo. I just give this as an example. Make sure this is available to open in a new tab, insert it. So now this announcement is a little bit more personalized. And so as you can kind of see, this really is cool in that way of, let me click save. And when I click on my notification bell, then this is what I see for, and this will say the student's name, because I'm only in preview mode, you don't get to see it, but where it says the header, these names, that will automatically populate the student's name so that these messages are very personalized and very tailored. One of the other cool things is I can publish these on a specific date, so I can publish it today. I don't have to show the publish date if I don't want to, if I'm self-conscious about releasing it. There's all these different kind of features that I can decide whether I want to enable or not enable. And then the next thing that I wanted to show you was sort of how you can use this to give students early access preview to your new product that you're about to launch, and to kind of start warming them up for your next product in a series. And so what you could do, if it's not an announcement, what you may want to do, what is also cool is that you can, the announcements doesn't have to be sent or be published to all students. Maybe you only want to publish it to certain students in certain courses. So that's where you can choose the product that you are targeting to sort of let students, only specific students know. Because remember, this is your student dashboard and you want to be very specific about where these announcements show up. And so I forgot to mention earlier, the let's just say you want to let students in a specific course know to check out your landing page for your next product. Then instead of linking, you can link it instead of, what I'm saying is you can then show an image to say, maybe this image might say coming soon. And then what you can say, you don't want to miss this, check this out. This will be great. Just put some text there in description to let people know what you want them to check out next. If you don't want to show the publish date, you don't have to show the publish date. But the more important thing is that you can link to your landing page directly here. You can put thinkific.com /landing page .html or whatever. So that is, the idea is then you can send students to another landing page for your next product as a way to sort of drum interest into another product. So that's if you were using an external landing page instead of using, like, let's say you want to use ClickFunnels instead of using Thinkific. Or if you created this page in Thinkific, what you could do is select a page from your Thinkific site if you already created your page in Thinkific. And remember, these colors can be customized, and let's just so that you match the look of these buttons to the rest of your student dashboard. And then the last part of this video is I want to show you what it looks like from the student experience. So I am logged into my site as a Thinkific student, and you can see I have my Flick style dashboard from before. But you also have this what's new, and so you can see the latest announcements that I've made. And this is just a great way to sort of enhance the experience, engage your students, let them know about new content without having to send an email. The most important thing is it's all housed within Thinkific, and not just for new content or about upcoming events and notifications, but it's really about even continuing to keep students engaged into the next product that you're about to launch. And so I think it's a really useful, it's not just about the notification, it's a continually way of sending reminders and nudges just to get students continually to stay within the course and to stay involved and to stay engaged. So I hope this video helps. Check out the different timestamps if you wanted to review a specific section, and let me know what feedback you have and any questions that I can answer about how to enhance your Thinkific student learning experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.